visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone, welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang. Take what's only yours. I also want you to know that this is a timeless reading, so kung kailan niyo po ito mapanood, the message is meant to find. Tingnan natin ang nangyayari sa paligid, the Ace of Wands, the King of Cups. So yung passion ni person hindi masyadong naipapakita. Yung passion ni person hindi masyadong na-express. I feel like si person medyo nagiging either still mahiyain pa or reserve pa sa ngayon. Kasi with the Ace of Wands, marami pa itong pwedeng gawin. Marami pa itong pwedeng i-offer. So, I feel like medyo either mahiyain si person or yun nga, mahiyain, reserve, or hindi siya ganun kasi ka-expressive. Baka yun na siya, no? With the Six of Pentacles, I feel like kaya ito nahihiya kasi parang feeling niya hindi mo siya bet. Parang feeling niya hindi mo siya gusto, hindi siya uobra, no, sa standards mo. Chances are, I think that this person is loving you from afar. Medyo, sabihin natin, mga crushes, no, yung ganyang drama. Sabihin natin itong person mo ay gusto ka, hindi lang talaga, hindi ka lang niya ma-approach. Baka naman kasi you are also a little too strong, no, yung personality mo. So, with the Hierophant and the Three of Pentacles, ako, it's either this person is hiding from someone else's identity. Baka kasi meron tong dummy account, chine-check niya yung mga posts mo, or humihingi ito ng tulong sa mga malalapit na kaibigan mo. So, meron din dito for a few numbers of you gustong humingi ng tawad dahil meron itong nagawang kasalanan sa iyo. No? With the Sun, feel like ito ay sabihin natin bago-bago lang. No? Yang na-feel or bago-bago lang dumating yung downloads na kailangan. Somewhat gumawa na rin ako ng move, somewhat meron na rin ako ditong i-express, no? Somewhat meron na rin ako ditong ipakita dahil sabihin natin hindi niya kumbaga, nasa-suppress yung feelings talaga niya. With the Wheel of Fortune, ang cute naman nito kasi sa isip niya lahat ng gusto niyang gawin, nagagawa. Yun nga lang sana bitbitin ito ni person, no, from the ethers at gawin ito dito sa 3D. The Sun clarified with the Knight of Wands and the Eight of Pentacles. So ang ibig sabihin nito, noon pa man, gusto niya na rin sanang pumorma. Wala lang yata itong gut, no, or guts no, nitong mga panahon na yon. Pero with the Wheel of Fortune clarified with the Ten of Wands and the Eight of Swords. Bakit parang iniiwasan mo ito or merong nakablock dito? Sasabihin natin, kung ayaw mo man siya, I feel like iniiwasan mo talaga, ayaw mo siya talagang makita. Or baka naman itong taong ito, gustong lumapit, gwardyado ka naman no, ng mga taong nakapaligid sa'yo. It can be your family members, kapitbahay mo ba ito? Kasi with the Magician, clarified with the Six of Wands and the Page of Cups, uh, I feel nung una kang makita nitong tao, uh, instant eh. Instant yung feeling, instant yung pagkagusto, instant na meron akong nararamdaman sa'yo. So, we can probably say that this is love at first sight, no? So, with the High Priestess, the Devil card, and the Nine of Pentacles, um, mas okay ka naman daw, kaso medyo masungit. Siguro meron kang mood swings, no? Or baka feeling niya meron kang mood swings kasi nakita kaya yata nito nagsungit, nagtaray. I don't know bakit parang may bumibili, no? Either bumibili ka sa sari-sari store or bumibili ka sa mall na nakita ka niya na parang nagsungit ka in a way. Natatakot siya doon sa part ng pagiging mataray, masungit, or suplado-suplada mo. The Six of Cups, the Three of Cups, and the Two of Cups. This is puro cups. So the emotions are here. Mapapansin natin itong, I feel like napansin mo siya before. Nagkaroon lang ito ng pause. I don't know paano nag-manifest itong pause na ito. Siguro, umano na ito, pamorma na dati, hininto lang, or natakot, tapos ngayon nabubuo na naman yung ano nila, yung ang tawag doon, lakas ng loob. Gusto kang pormahan uli. So with the Four of Wands, the Queen of Swords, the Ace of Cups. I don't know what happened that parang gusto mo siyang either pahirapan or i-test. Test, okay lang. Pero pahirapan, I don't know kung bakit merong ganon. With the Ace of Cups, gusto mong patunayan naman, gusto mong makita na totoo yung pagmamahal nila. Yon, valid yon. Agree ako doon. Kasi kahit sino naman, gusto mong ilagay yung sarili mo sa isang safe na situation. Sino ba naman ang gusto magpahamak sa sarili? No? Pero yung pahirapan, I don't know what happened in here. Kung gusto mo siyang pahirapan, explain mo dahil hindi naman dito nakita. Limited lang yung time natin. The Four of Wands. Pero somewhat, bibigyan ito kasi ng chance. Meron ka lang gustong makita dito sa taong ito. No? So this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Pero bago yan, kung kayo nakaka-resonate, let me know sa comment section. Kung gusto nyo pong magtanong sa akin, sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link and you will be routed to my website. Nandun yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1. And yeah, gusto nyo magpabook ng private reading, nandun din po siya. The zodiac signs are Cancer, Taurus, Scorpio, Virgo, Pisces, Capricorn, Leo. Wow, halos isa lang ang ano dito. Dalawa lang yung swords. So I'm seeing, tapos ano pa, Libra, no? So yeah, Libra, Sagittarius, Taurus is here. Yan, nasabi natin, Taurus. Leo, yep. Aries. This is your reading.